on guys, welcome back to another video, and in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create these viral TikTok car edits inside of After Effects. Alright, so the first thing I like to do before I even start with my clips or anything is to choose a song. Now I already found a song and I imported it into After Effects, and what I'm going to do is if you hit LL on your keyboard, it opens up the waveform so you can see the different like peaks of the audio and stuff. And that kind of helps you like know where the beat drops are or like the different like beat hits or whatever. I'm not an audio genius, I don't know what I'm talking about, but as you can see in the waveforms, like some of them like spike up like that. On those different spots right there, you want to go ahead and mark them. So on your number pad, you want to hit the star symbol. I'll add a little marker right there. If you don't have a number pad, you can just right click on this and then go to markers and add marker. So basically what I'm going to go ahead and do is just add markers for every single beat, hit, or whatever you want to call it. So I'll see you guys when I'm done doing that. All right, so now I have all my markers laid out. So now we can go ahead and use our clips. So I have all my clips here. So I'm just going to go ahead and look for a few good ones and import them into After Effects. All right, so I have all my clips imported here. That should be plenty enough to work with. Now I forgot to mention this at the start, but for my composition settings, I'm using 1080 by 1920 and a frame rate of 30. So yeah, that's what you want to use for these like Instagram reels or TikTok edits. What I'm going to do is lay out all the clips into my timeline, so get them all cut to the beat and everything. That's kind of why I put the markers there. So I'm just going to cut the clips first, and then I'll see you guys once I'm done with that. Alright, so I just finished laying out all my clips here on the timeline, so I'm going to play this back for you guys so you can watch it and see what it looks like. So as you can see, it's very rough. It's literally just all the clips laid out. I'm just cutting the clips to the audio pretty much, so nothing too special here. But the next step that we want to go ahead and do is speed ramp. If you don't know how to speed ramp, make sure to go check out my tutorial on it. I'll have a little card pop up somewhere on the screen. So if you don't know how to speed ramp, you can just click that and watch it. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and speed ramp, and I'll see you guys once I'm done with that. All right, so I just got done speed ramping all of my clips. So once again, I'm going to play this for you guys so you can watch it and see what it looks like. And you guys can see what the difference looks like. So as you can see, there's a huge difference when you add the speed ramping to your clips. So yeah, I highly recommend doing that step. So now that we're done with the speed ramping, we can pretty much just do all the effects now. So that's going to be the next step, is adding effects and just having fun with it. So I'm just going to go through these clips and just start adding some effects. So on this first one, you can hear in the audio kind of sounds like glass breaking. So I might do some like type of glass shatter or something here. I'm not totally sure yet, but that's what I'm going to work on right now. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of do like a quick little time lapse of me working on this clip. Alright, so I just finished the little glass shatter thing. I'm not totally sure if I like it or not, but I think it kind of works here. So yeah, this is what it looks like. But yeah, I'm just going to move on to the next clips and see what kind of effects I can add. Okay, so for this clip, I added some effects here on the background of it. So I masked out the car and then added some prism displace and then chromatic aberration. And these plugins are from Red Giant Universe. So if you want to use these effects, they are from Red Giant. Now for this clip right here, I think I'm just going to do a little saber like outline effect that I've done in my past tutorials. So once again, you can just click off this video if you need to and just watch the saber outline. But yeah, using the mask tool on the saber plugin, it should be pretty easy. All right, so it's been like 40 minutes or something like that, and I kind of just got carried away into the effects for pretty much all of the clips here. So I worked on this one here, added some edge colorize and like revealed it onto the car. And also like all of the effects I did here, I have tutorials on pretty much all of them. So if you're wondering how I did one of them or whatever, then literally just go on my YouTube and most likely you'll find a video showing like how I did the effects. So yeah, I'll just show you guys what I have now, and after that I'm going to add just a few more effects and color grade it, and I'm pretty much done. So yeah, that is what I have so far. Now what I'm going to do is add a few shakes here and there, but I'm just going to be using the Sapphire plugin, s_shake, for all my shakes here. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done with the shakes. All right, so I just got done adding all the shakes to the video and adding some color correction on top of it. So now I'm going to play the video for you guys so you can see the finished result. I hope this kind of helped you guys understand how to edit in After Effects and kind of compile all these videos into a sequence and add effects and all sorts of stuff like that. But yeah, if this did help you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.